beside him, the 2009 Canadian champion, Rapid View's Vern Nolan on 2. And on the inside, Gord McCallum. He's ready to roll on 1, and so are we. With a call of heat number 11, here's Bernie Petra.
There's the sound for heat number 11. There's a nice start right there for Logan's Heroes and Logan Gorst. He's got company. Gordon McCallum goes to the outside. Into the inside, Bob Jack sheet metal to the middle of the track. That's Vern Nolan, the Rapid View Rocket, as they run wheel to wheel. Setting up into corner number 2, Gordon McCallum on the rail. Bob Jack sheet metal goes to the middle of the racetrack, running 3 wide. It's Logan's Heroes and Logan Gorst as they all flow like a river down the backstretch. Gordon McCallum, after a good cut of the barrels off on 1, is leading the backstretch charge. Bob Jack sheet metal and Vern Nolan, the Rapid View Rocket, is closing ground to a half a wagon length behind. And then Logan's Heroes and Logan Gorst not that far behind, a wagon and a half length off the lead, but wait for the home stretch charge. But leading it right now is Gordon McCallum. Here he comes, flowing like a river to the line. He is leading the charge right now, but here comes the Rapid View Rocket. He is firing in all cylinders. The Rapid View Rocket has now overtaken the lead, and here he comes to the Yorkton Dodge line. Very close to call for second, third as well. Logan's Heroes and Big Guys Enterprises hard charging into second, third.